Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration WV16LVN. Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6090 PS ecoFLEX H1L2 factory fitted crew cab. It has done 79,000 miles with 2 owners from new. It has 2 keys. The van comes with air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control, DAB radio, heated windscreen, tow bar, stop-start. This Vauxhall Vivaro crew van is a safe and reliable option for a work crew with minimal tools, or alternatively for a family needing extra space for fishing equipment or bikes. It is also fitted with a tow bar for any of your towing needs. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.